I think that NEFers tend to be crazy hungry, and sometimes that can be a bit of a shock to the companies that hire them. But you can't fault that hunger, that ambition, and if you channel it in the right way, I think they make very, very good team members. My name is Eliot, and I'm from the class of 2014. I remember very distinctly the idea that you go through the program and you're working on a business. They're very tangible skills that you're developing and learning in the workshop, so that anything you actually learn, you can then go away and immediately implement. And there's this group of people that you're with, and you're getting that kind of sense of community, you're bouncing ideas off each other, and it's a highly motivating environment. Hamish was actually on the very first cohort and was working at the same placement company at TravelX when I arrived. So we met up and had a beer then and instantly got on well. I think had a lot of mutual respect for each other, complementing each other's skills. But it wasn't for 2 years on from that we actually ended up launching Thriva together. And that was just driven by this core understanding, and that kind of shared enthusiasm for the idea was, again, another cementing thing that actually, okay, yeah, this is a good partnership and one that can hopefully manage to launch a pretty big business in years to come.